Good morning. It's Jim Barrett from RJO Futures, Tuesday morning, November 20th. Notes and bonds slightly lower. Continuation of yesterday's pressure based on hopes, possibly reasonably hopes, we'll see, out of Washington that some deal will evolve to keep us from the brink. Obviously, Friday's big reversal in stocks has everything to do with notes and bonds being a bit lower. However, they'd reached points, yield points, where there had been support in the past, and 155 specifically in the notes. We're trading around 161 yesterday, 163 today. Recent highs in the yield, 175. I doubt we challenge those levels. Stocks are unchanged to waffling a little bit. Outside markets, crude's down a little, the gold and silver slightly higher, but basically running in place, holding on to yesterday's gains in stocks, holding on to yesterday's losses in notes and bonds. You know, will there be a reasonable agreement? Who knows? What's likely is sentiment goes back and forth. Obama will be back in the country, and you know, we'll see. The tone right now is, again, hopeful. The second thing that's likely to be influenced today is Bernanke speaking. We'll get some idea of how he's going to link policy to news, to reports in the future, to give some inkling and how they'll come to the decision down the road, of course, to eventually raise rates a little bit. So that ought to be interesting later today. It may not have a big effect on notes and bonds on a short-term basis, but obviously any policy framework going forward will obviously influence notes and bonds going forward. Anyways, that can be reached at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Remember, there is a risk of loss in futures trading, and I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving. Thank you.